morning, guys. Oh my God. Does anybody else have a work bag that weighs 10,000 pounds? I swear to God, it's so heavy. And I'm sore from the gym. Oh my God. My muscles are so sore, but you know what? That's part of it. Anyway, I want to show you my little sweater here. It's from TJ Maxx. I'll show you a full shot later. But look at these earrings with that. Look at that. Is that not rock star status? I love these. Oh my gosh. TJ Maxx has the best stuff. And I think I may have showed you these in a clothing haul a while ago. And then I have on this little cute little necklace. Black pants and heels that match this color. So, had my coffee. Had nothing else. But look at the work bag. Look. It's full to the max. Big jug of water. And I think on my way now, I'm going to have the drizzled fudge bar. And no, I'm not. You guys are asking me a lot, and I know. If you're not following me, consistently, you wouldn't know. So I am still in therapy. And with that, they're teaching me, again, continuously, not to label food as anything. Not to label 5 and 1, 4 and 2, keto, low carb, high carb, whatever. Just food. Just eat. So on the days I go to the gym, which is where I showed you what I eat yesterday or 2 days ago, I took you with me to the gym, showed you some exercises and what I ate. Today, I'm not going to the gym. I'm going to work. So it's like a rest day for me because I just did the full weekend, 2 days straight. So I need a rest day. So today, I'll do the 5 and 1. But I'm not labeling it. I'm just calling things protein bar. So I'm having a protein bar. I had coffee with some International Delight sugar-free creamer and a stevia. And now I'm heading to work. I have a Diet Coke with me, or 2 Diet Cokes. I like to keep a few in my office. My jug of water and a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to show you what I eat today on a rest day from the gym. Mint bar, heading to work. See you over there. Okay, so on the way here, like I showed you, I had a chocolate mint bar. And now I'm sitting here enjoying a Diet Coke. I have a lot of work to do, so I will see you at fueling number 2. Hey guys, we're at the next fueling. It's like 3.5 hours later. Not a good thing. I don't recommend it, but I'm having hot chocolate. See you at the next one. Hey guys, all right, so we are at almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was a little quiet inside, and I'm gonna go do some marketing and some fun things. So I'm heading over to a hospital. I'm heading over to an assisted living, and I'm gonna stop by a couple doctor's offices and drop off some goodies. So I'm heading up to the grocery store that's around the corner. It's a huge Wegmans. I'm gonna pick up some cookies and things just to drop off to the staff, and I'm gonna bring it with me. And it's not time to eat yet, so soon I'll show you what I'm gonna eat. I don't know, that Wegmans is so big. I might actually just get a lean and green over there, since tonight I'm probably gonna be a little tired because I got up at the crack of dawn and I'm not really gonna be in the mood to cook. So I'll see you over at Wegmans. Let's head over there now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you...
Alright guys, so, oh my God, as you can see, Wegmans was packed. And I was a little uncomfortable filming, I have to admit. So, yeah. So I did get them some pastries. We're going to go drop that off. But while I'm traveling through here in the same Wegmans, I don't want to say parking lot, because this is like a legit, like there is a Lululemon here. There is Ulta here. There are so many things. But look what I found. There's a Chopped. So I'm going to go pick up myself my lean and green. I'm going to go have a salad. And then I'll see you back here, and I'm going to show you what that yummy salad looks like. I love this place. They chop the salad up so nice. And I'm excited. Let's go get that salad.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me.
Isn't that cool? They give you everything and then you have to put it in your own bag. All right, guys, so here's my salad. In it is romaine lettuce, cucumbers, grape tomatoes, hearts of palm, chicken, grilled chicken, and 1 hard-boiled egg. As you saw, I put a little bit of olive oil and red wine vinegar on top, and that is my lean green, and I'm eating it right outside the hospital before I go in. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes if I'm between fuelings and I go too long, I get lightheaded. And I've been doing a lot of working out, as you know, as you saw. And I know my calorie burn is up. So, so good. All right. I'm going to eat it. People are looking. I'm going to hide. I'll see you in a little bit. Forgot to tell you there's avocado in here. Avocado. Guys, I'm sitting here eating my salad and I look over on the passenger side floor and I forgot that I went to CVS yesterday. I guess I left the bag in the car and I hope everything is not melted because it is hot. So I'm going to have some water, head inside to the hospital, but I want to show you what I got yesterday. How did I forget? All right. So the eyeliner that I use always is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto in Blackest Black. It is the absolute best in my opinion. The mascara that I have used for years, my favorite, waterproof L'Oreal Voluminous, I think it's called Million Lashes. Amazing product. If you have straight eyelashes like me that just kind of are down, I have to curl them and then use this in order for them to stay up. And as I'm getting older, my eyelashes are not as thick as they used to be, so this actually gives you some volume. And the makeup, the foundation that I use historically and the one that I love the most is the Fit Me, and it's number 322, and the color is Warm Honey. This is the matte and poreless version. And I use a beauty blender to push it into my skin. And let me just check and make sure that it's still okay. I guess the heat of the truck here didn't do anything to it, but yeah. So let's put it back, but put it on the seat this time so I don't forget. Okay, so heading into the hospital, going to see some marketing people. I usually go see the case managers, the social workers. This time I'm going to an LTAC, so I'm going to see the head of the LTAC and see if we can get some business. All right, I'll see you when I get back outside. Hey guys, so I'm home having a brownie with a cup of hot tea. That's the next fueling. I'll see you at the last one.